Tuguegarao Mayor Jefferson Soriano is helping share awareness of the city's very own home care program for COVID-19 positive patients. On his Facebook account, Soriano shared the hotline numbers to help his constituents. The city government encourages residents to make use of the hotlines, while Tuguegarao City is still setting up its COVID-19 command center. Project Helpline Tuguegarao is a private initiative. It is manned by healthcare professionals and volunteers making themselves accessible for COVID-19 positive patients who are doing isolation and quarantine in their homes.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.